When setting up Skript, I recommend you download the latest supported version for your server. We are going to put the script jar file in the plugins folder like every other plugin. Once you have done that, we're going to restart the server. I'm using Minehut because it's free. It'll take some time to restart. When your server has restarted, you'll see a script folder inside the plugins folder. Open it and you'll see multiple other files. I recommend going into the config and enabling effect commands, as well as allowing ops to use effect commands. This will make it easier for development and allow us to write code directly into the Minecraft chat or console. We'll need to set enable effect commands to true, as well as allow ops to use effect commands to true. Save that. And then you'll need to run the command sk reload config. Now that we have effect commands enabled, we can use the exclamation mark by default to run code directly into the console or chat. We can do an example. Send hello world. And we can see the console has sent hello world. Once that's done, we can go back into the script folder. We can now open scripts folder and we can see example scripts. These will be disabled by default. We can make a new script file by creating a file with the extension .sk. I'm going to name mine example. When creating scripts, you will see that we use a lot of indentation. You can either use 4 spaces or 1 tab per indentation. You cannot mix spaces and tab indentations in the same script file. I recommend using tab spaces. You have now set up Skript.